So we're here at the middle of Cubao, Quezon City. And bibili ako ng ballpen dito. And this used to look so different. Itong lugar na to, Cubao. Pero ito, fixture na talaga to, itong building na to. This is the National Bookstore building in Cubao. So, still a lot of good stuff here for mga notebook, mga ganyan mga books, mga ganyan. So anyway, bibili kasi ako dito yung friction na pen, pilot friction para yung nabubura. So, guys. So yan, this is the facade. And nandito lang siya sa tawiran dito eh. So, National Bookstore, guys. Ayan. So kung mahilig kayo sa mga abubot, mga pens, mga coloring stuff, mga books, mag-enjoy kayo dito because dito ko si nanay yung may pen, no? So for arts and crafts, mga ganyan, school supplies and whatnot, kung gusto mong makapili ng mga wide range of pens, of notebooks, of planners, of pati mga computer accessories meron dito. So, this used to be, parang parang playground ko before and lagi kong pinapag-ipunan. Mahilig kasi ako sa pens before, no? So, yan, may mga notebooks dito that you can convert into Grabe, sobrang popular nito ngayon noon yung mga Strathmore notes na napapalitan mo. This is still good stuff. So, also the other planners here if you want to document your journey. Meron din ditong malaki, parang calendar, 2026. May budget planner. Interesting. Tapos of course, kung gusto mong mag-track ng schedule mo on your desk, ayun, may mga, I think I'm gonna have one of those. So yan. Of course, kung nagpiprint kayo ng mga stuff for your projects, for your mga printables ninyo, all of the stuff are here. You can make your calling cards. This brings you back. Tapos yung amoy niya, that old book smell, ibang klase. Takes me back. So dati before, tinanong ko, sa 4th floor pa ba yung mga books? Hindi. Ang books ngayon is on the 2nd floor na lang. Tapos naging office na daw yung kanilang 3rd and 4th floor. Dati kasi magkahiwalay. Sa sobrang dami ng books before, they had like 3 levels of books. So, nakalimutan ko na yung classification. So, there's a lot of Bill Gates. Mga hardbounds and softbound. So, iba talaga. Sarap talaga ng amoy ng mga printed yung books, Harry Potter. Wow. So if you want to collect your Harry Potter, they're here. They're just here. I know I bought my daughter one of these before. Itong kompleto ng Harry Potter. So, Fantastic Beasts are here kung kailangan ninyo. Looking for So the fiction and literature are here. So not as extensive as it was before. Of course, ngayon kasi mas popular na yung mga e-books eh. May mga magazines. Ayun, magazines there. Interesting. So, ayun, ang gaganda ng mga books. Ikigai, Power of Habit, Alchemist, Paulo Coelho, Soul Art of Not Giving a, di ba? So, lots of really nice books. So, kung interested kayong explore ng Cubao, meron palang Mobile Legends na na stories. Teens books, children's books. Agribusiness, we're working with those guys before. Married, yes. Okay, so buhay pa rin. Meron pa rin printed media. Yan lang guys. So, ayan, dami dito for those yung mga projects ng mga babies, mga toddlers, mga ganyan, mga coloring books. They're still here. with crayons and whatnot. So, dito na yata lahat. It really takes me back, guys. Enjoy siya. Dati naman second year. Kasi sa Cubao yung bahay ng lola ko. Before, lolo't lola ko. And lagi bago ako umuwi from my school, more often than not, dumadaan ako ng National Bookstore because I really love this place. Up until now, iba talaga yung amoy. There's really that book paper smell that is, alam mo yon, yung the smell of old books that really triggers so many memories and mga moments in life. So, yun, kanina nanggaling naman ako sa Fiesta Carnival, which became Shopwise, and then ngayon Fiesta Carnival ulit siya. So there are rides there, mga leisure activities, may jungle pa yata doon, parang jungle thing na you can do some sort of like parang parkour or something like that. So meron din siyang yung kanina may mga rides, of course, tapos may bump cars. So if you wanna try the bump cars, dati yun ang entertainment namin, yung mga bump cars, mga obstacle courses, mga rides, yun. Anyway, yun yung sa Fiesta Carnival. So, yun lang guys. Just like, follow, share, subscribe, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Coach Tony, Boss Fit Life, and all that shebang. You can get all of it on tonyagudo.com. Andun lahat ng links, and then make sure to just follow because we have a lot in store for you ngayong 2026. Marami tayong mga ipapamigay, marami tayong mga i-share na information at saka mga stuff that hopefully will make your life a little bit better. So yun lang guys. God bless and have a fantastic, awesome, and abundant 2026. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Coach Tony, tonyagudo.com. Bye-bye.